People have been using beef as a source of nutrition for thousands of years, and first domesticated cattle around 8000 BC to provide a readily available source of meat and dairy. In the state of Washington, the beef industry employs over 13,000 people and contributes an estimated $5.6 billion to our economy every year. Beef is what's known as a complete source of protein, which means it provides the 9 amino acids our cells can't produce on their own. And just one 3-ounce serving of beef provides nearly half the daily recommended amount of protein for an adult. But beef provides more nutritional benefits than just protein. It's also a great source of vitamin B3, which helps us convert carbs and fat into energy. Beef is also an important source of minerals, especially iron and zinc, which are essential for our cells to function properly. Specifically, iron allows us to make new red blood cells, while zinc helps keep our brain and nerves healthy. So with all the nutritional benefits that it provides, why not pick up some local Washington-grown beef the next time you're at your local market?